Our tree hollow feels a little plain today. Let's build a big blanket fort!
I'm hanging blue sheet. Hanging sheet.
It looks like a cozy roof. Do you like building blanket forts at home? It's the best.
It's getting so cozy in here! I love our new fort!
Now it's a perfect blanket fort. This is the best hideout ever! Making things together is the best. Having fun with friends makes every day special.
Our big window is looking pretty dirty today. Yeah, we should clean it together!
I'm cleaning the bottom part. Good idea, Pip. Let's work together. Do you ever help clean at home with your family? It's more fun when everyone helps.
I can reach the top parts! Thank you, Tilly, that really helps. Wow, you're so fast, Tilly! Yeah, way better than my cleaning. Teamwork is the best. It's already looking so much better!
Helping each other! Helping each other makes it easier! We did it together! Helping each other made the job so much easier and more fun!
Look what I found! A big coloring book! Awesome! Let's draw some shapes together!
I'm going to draw a star! That looks really good, Joey! Which shape do you want to draw next? I want to draw a circle!
I'm drawing a circle! Thanks, a great circle, Benny! Thanks, Pip!
I'm making a square! And I'm drawing a triangle! We drew a star, circle, square, and triangle! Drawing shapes together is so much fun! Yeah!
Wait, everyone! My mom said we shouldn't cross the stream without asking first. But it looks like we can just jump over it!
Maybe we should listen to what our parents say.
Yeah, my dad always says it's to keep us safe.
Why do you think it's important to listen to your parents? Because they love us and want to keep us safe.
Let's go ask our parents first. Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble or get hurt.
Mom, why can't we cross the stream by ourselves?
She said the rocks are slippery and the water can be deeper than it looks. I'm glad we asked first. Listening to our parents really does keep us safe.
Everyone looks really sleepy. I don't want to take a nap.
I'm not tired at all.
My eyes feel really heavy though. Do you sometimes not want to take a nap?
Naps are boring.
When we take naps, our bodies get strong and our brains get to rest. That's why we feel better after we wake up. Naps are the best! Yeah, let's get cozy!
This blanket feels really soft.
You're right, Tilly. It is a good idea to take a nap.
We really did need that nap.
Taking a nap is one of the best ways to take care of ourselves.
Now it's time to play.
Yay! Let's go play!